everyone, today we are Block 755 Woodlands Avenue 4, and if you're looking for a forever home of this upcoming mega transformation in the Woodlands and the Woodlands North MRT,
请继续观看，我们带您参观这个高楼的4房式单位。
Once again, I'm Eunice,
I'm Cindy,
and we are from Property 65, presenting to you this exclusive home right away.
Located along Woodlands Avenue 4, this unit is only 4 minutes walk to Woodlands North Plaza, where you can find Giant Supermarket, 7-Eleven, ABC Mart, KFC, McDonalds, Coffee Bean and many more shops. Travel on the other side for 6 minutes walk and you'll get to Woodlands Mart, where you can find KOUFU Foodcourt. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 5 primary schools within 1 km. This includes the reputable Admiralty Primary School, Top 48, which is within 1 km, and 10 primary schools within 2 km. This unit is also 8 minutes walk or just 2 bus stops to Republic Polytechnic. This home is sized at 1,109 square feet. It comes with a spacious living and dining room.
此单位很适合大家庭生活，合理的布局有效地利用了所有可使用面积，没有走廊浪费空间，反而增大了客厅的使用面积。
One master ensuite.
Introducing the master bedroom. Come on in. This home and this room is perfect for huge families because you can fit a queen-size bed and even 2 single mattresses on the left and right, and not compromising a very huge wardrobe space, full height wardrobe tucked to the corner over there.
2 common rooms. The 2 common bedrooms are of a similar size. Whether you're accommodating to family members, guests, or even using it as a home office, they offer ample space and good-sized windows for a bright and cheerful atmosphere. Storage room, bathroom, and an enclosed kitchen.
Heading towards the kitchen, you'll get a well-organized and fully equipped culinary space. The kitchen size is fantastic. Endless possibilities for your renovation ideas, and you can consider a clean and contemporary one. Come on in to the kitchen yard, where you can dry all of your clothes, and a bathroom on the left, giving you a fully equipped kitchen. And do remember to save Property 65 as we unravel an interactive 3D walkthrough renovation concept just for you.
Let's unravel more amenities here in Woodlands. With just 4 bus stops away, you'll be at Woodlands MRT, where you can shop at Causeway Point Mega Mall. There is Cathay Cineplex Cinemas, Courts, FairPrice Finest, Kiddie Palace, Sephora, Popular, Enrichment Schools, and many more schools and restaurants. With just 4 bus stops away, you will be at Admiralty MRT, where you can shop at the newly opened Kampong Admiralty Integrated Hub. You can find a huge-scale hawker centre on the 2nd level, NTUC FairPrice Supermarket, Starbucks, Ya-Kun Kaya Toast, Chatteries, and Admiralty Medical Centre at the 3rd level. What's more, it's only 9 minutes walk to Woodlands North MRT. It is the Thomson East Coast Line, and it is the direct line towards the prominent stations such as Stevens, Orchard, Outram Park, Shenton Way, Marina Bay, and Gardens by the Bay. In addition, there will be a partnership with Malaysia for the RTS Rapid Transit System to act as a direct link to Woodlands North MRT from Bukit Changga Station in Johor Bahru. If the project gets a final go-ahead by Malaysia, the new line could be open as soon as 2025 or up to 2026.
You can click the link in the description box and we can run through the virtual tour together. Do you remember the video that you saw earlier? It's an original 4-room flat HDB, but it has been transformed to a modern luxe design. Let's go and see. Okay, so we are at the main door. This main door is perfect, man. It's a very nice cornice lamination, a modern luxe design. I love this kind of idea. And remember, okay, as we head into the dining and living area, the one at the corner, you know, the altar area, it has been amended to integrate a beautiful upper and lower cabinets to put all of your compartments, because we have to utilize storage in the house so that we don't clutter the living area, because it's a nice place, you know. And then this area at the center area, we can put like your keys or any ornaments, any things that you want to put to show off to your guests. 好练一下，好练不用紧的，全部贵贵的东西放在那边。And the best thing over here is the kitchen. 哇，看这个 kitchen 哦。我很喜欢哦，这个 dining area 上面那个灯毛毛的，它3个毛毛 ，got a large, medium and small. This is a very designer concept. I like it. See if I screw it in, I can even see the textures. Such a good interactive home tour that 我们可以去淘宝买一下。Then kitchen area definitely has fridge. Okay, the fridge and the dining set perfect. 可以坐4个人、6个人都可以，就是按照你的需求。Okay, 那我们去这个 kitchen 的话，这个 kitchen 我说不错哦。OK， 它有一个 cooker hood, sink area， 就是一个 fully fitted kitchen。诶，等一下，为 为什么有一个 microwave 哦？这么高在上面，我怎么拿 ？Oh my god，我一定会 starvation 哎，不用吃了，可以去 diet challenge，diet 24 hours challenge，怎么吃？So we head down to the kitchen, everything fully fitted, which is perfect, beautiful. And yard area, perfect size. You can put 2 washing machine, 1 washer, 1 dryer, up to your desire, with a small little vanity for washing your hands, which is perfect for families with a helper, or maybe sometimes 你的老婆就是那个 helper. So 不是这个 view, but 是我们的 HDB estate view. But 这个 unit 的 view 不错，因为它是 unblocked 的，无遮挡的。然后它的光线啊，然后它是高楼 high floor, it's a perfect place, perfect position to buy HDB. Then okay, for 这个 bathroom 它是比较 simple design, however 它是 simple yet elegant, okay, clean and contemporary 哈，not 又可以 money efficient， 不用做到这么高档啊 ，just a beautiful design, simple and clean， 有人 maintain 就可以了哈。Okay, so 我们回去我们最大的重点就是这个客厅 this living dining area. Have you realized there's no wastage in the corridor space? So this corridor is part of the living space, giving you very good efficiency. Whatever you pay is whatever you get. It's not like 现在你买一个 floor plan, then 你要花 balcony space, 花 aircon lecture space. No, most of the walkway space is part of the living area. That's why 它可以放一个 3.5 seater sofa. So a beautiful 3.5 seater sofa, and also there's a lot of windows in this area. Although 它是一个 corridor unit, 但是它是next to a corner, and then 在 high floor, so 只有 one family 会 pass by 你的 unit 啦。So based on 这个 price point this price point is very reasonably priced for privacy, for high floor, and 没有很多 high floor 在这边卖哦。你可以看 recent direction 没有骗你的 no, it's all honest opinion. High floor 是一个 rare gem. So design concept wise 这个灯 super 好看，你有看这个 hexagon octagon 这个根吗？哇，很美耶，我一定会买的，我会去淘宝找 OK。 如果你们要找这种 light then 你 contact 我们，可以 contact 我们看这个房then 我介绍给你 ID 啦，介绍给你淘宝啦 OK。Good job. Then 我们看这个 living area 很不错啦，它有一个TV feature， 但这种 TV feature 你可以省钱，因为有些只是一个 cone panel 的一个 fixed panel 去laminate 啦还是 stick 啦， then 用 wallpaper 弄美一点，省钱又有 elegant design 又可以省钱，很好。Then 我们就等一下我们 leave master bedroom for the last， 因为是最好的。我们先看这个 bedroom on the left。So bedroom on the left 这里它的 design 是我蛮喜欢的啦，它是一点black greyish theme， usually 比较多男生会喜欢啦。虽然我是女生吧，我OK 啦，you know gender 没有对错的。So good concept， 有一个 full height wardrobe, and then a study corner for working or studying, and then you have a double bed at the back, plus not compromising a space of a bedside table. Bedside table is quite important because sometimes you have to put your digital watches, your alarm clock, your phone, and you do not want to like put it all in your bed, you don't have no place to sleep. So it's a very nice clean concept design, and I like it very much. Like it's a fully fitted bedroom for your child or for yourself. Then as you head into the other bedroom opposite this bedroom, you'll realize that there's very minimized walkway space. You see, most of the space is into your house, livable area, which is a very, very good and nice layout for a 4-room flat at 1109 square feet. So as you come here, definitely the windows are not your city view or orchard, but 如果你要看 city view, 我可以买 sticker 给你，可是每天是一样的啦，不会变。So okay, don't worry, 是very nice unblocked view 啦。你看，你来了看then 你就知道了。So 这个 design 它是比较feminine side, but you know, no gender discrimination lah. It's a very nice modern design. It's up to it aligns with the whole theme of the house. Double bed, queen bed, and a bedside table, together with a nice feature, bedside feature wall at the back. So very good design. You can fit a lot of things. So this bed, right, I believe is a king size here because in the actual floor plan is really huge. This bedroom is really huge. You just come and view, and you can see original there is a double bed, and then there is like the right side is tucked with a lot of cabinets and drawers. It's a huge room. Just come and see, then you will realize 很大，很值钱哦，很值钱。Okay, so 这个 storeroom 哦。又是多一个问题，因为我们新加坡的 storeroom， 我们新加坡人不会哦，这个 storeroom 这么 empty 的。每一个人的 storeroom 哦，I understand 有的会有一个 avalanche， 就是你一开门哦，你要波比那个东西没有掉，对吗？对哦 ，OK， so 这个 storeroom 是一个 good concept for space， 可以放 shoe racks， 放你的不是 shoe rack，sorry， 可以放那个steel racks。OK， to put 你的 luggage winter clothes， 很多人你们要去日本对吗 ？I know， 因为我看一个 article， 他讲现在去日本像去新加坡讲全部都利落啦自己人。But OK，so 我们现在 finally entering the master bedroom。OK，master bedroom 是很宽，记得那个 video earlier 你可以 rewind， 可以放 queen bed。and 2 single mattress， 4个人一个房间睡都可以耶！哇，这个 house 很 versatile， 你要几个 family member 都可以。So for 这个 designer concept same thing，maybe it's a king bed， 因为它king or queen bed，I mean up to your desire， 有一个 full height wardrobe，and then 有2个 bedside table， 因为老公老婆他们会有自己的东西吗？我们老婆们哦，我们有一个 perfume， 有skincare routine， then 男生可能是 alarm clock 啦 ，laptop 啦 ，tablet 啦，所以刚好一人一个，没有打架 ，OK，50-50 don't worry。Then 旁边就是有一个 study corner， 这个哦没变了。这个要 longjang pass， 因为哦只有一个 ，but based on 这个 design 因为 design 是可以换的嘛，其实你的设计师可以 design 2个 study corner because this room is really huge. You can fit one each one each study corner, one for you, one for your husband, one for anyone, so that you can fully utilize the whole bedroom to your liking. So we enter back the master bathroom. Then we can see this is a very modern luxe marble like tiles design with a very simple vanity, so you can save cost. So 这个 design这个 3D walkthrough 其实很好诶，因为它每一个房间是不一样的一个设计，所以它按照你喜欢的一个设计可以重新做一个。如果你们买这个房子重新送你们一个 3D interactive walkthrough according to 你的 design concept 跟 color theme。OK， so 谢谢你们观看 ，Thanks for staying until the end of this video, and we will shift to the outro very soon. But would really appreciate if you can click like, subscribe, and share to anyone that you like this video or you think that would like to buy a house in the Woodlands that is near to our future mega transformation Woodlands North MRT. And thank you for watching. So to the outro.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour.
相信这是您理想温馨的家，欢迎联系我们参观此单位。
And before you go, please remember to like, share and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. Once again, I'm Eunice.
I'm Cindy.
And we are from Property 65. We uplift your home value. We sell higher.
我们厉害！